Hey everyone, welcome to Noor Telecom. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and in this video, we're doing a down swap process. Let's get started. First, we carefully begin by removing the USI IC from the logic board. Using a thin needle-like tool, we gently scrape around the edges of the chip to remove the surrounding adhesive. After that, we do the same process for the baseband IC, scraping away all the glue around it. The same preparation is done around the power management IC as well. Once all the adhesive is cleared, we apply some flux around each IC and then use a hot air gun to heat them. After a few seconds of heating, we lift the ICs one by one from the board very carefully. Next, we clean the bottom of each IC using soldering wick and flux, gently rubbing across all the solder pads to remove the old solder residues. After that, we use cotton to clean each IC completely so that all the pads are shiny and smooth. Now, we place a reballing stencil on top of each IC. This stencil helps us to apply solder paste evenly on all the pads. Once the paste is applied, we heat it again with the hot air gun so the solder balls form properly. After the reballing process is done, we clean everything once more and apply flux on the logic board in the same positions where the ICs were removed. Then, one by one, we place back the USI IC, the baseband IC, and the power management IC in their original spots, and carefully heat them again to make proper bonding. Finally, all the ICs are perfectly seated, and the down swap process is successfully completed. So that's how we perform the iPhone 12 Pro Max down swap at Noor Telecom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm from Noor Telecom. See you in the next video.